So Captis is essentially a material capturing device. So starting from a physical sample, you're able to capture not just the color, but really all sorts of physical properties of that sample, such as the surface details, right? So if you look at the material itself, we see, of course, it has the color, but also if we look closely, you have all these, kind of surface details which we want to capture. It also has the roughness quality. It may be transparent, translucent. So with Captis, all of that is kind of done for you. It's a kind of single-click solution. When you open up Captis, you can see over here that we have a tray, which is for your physical sample. So we'll remove this guy. And then let's go and position this thing over here. You can use magnets to really secure it. So this tool is called Adobe Sampler. So Sampler is a material creation tool which works natively with Captis. So here we can see that this is essentially a live feed of what is happening inside of Captis. So here I can crop this a little bit. So once we have this material scanned, then we can continue working in Sampler and we can continue kind of adding procedural parameters. For instance, if you want to add something like stitching or you want to change the color, you can do that after the fact. So you're going to have your physical sample, but then you can kind of continue working in a creative sense. You can see that we are getting not just the color, but also the beautiful relief, all the fine letter grain, right? And I can actually change the environment lighting. And I can really see how this material is going to work under different light conditions. So these 3D prints are utilizing scanned materials where displacement has been used to really kind of affect the geometry. So this in particular, I think, is utilizing this sample over here, so you can kind of compare. So that's the sample that's been scanned using Captis, and it was applied to the material, and then that was 3D printed. So this is kind of one of the advantages, is that you're getting so much information, and the information is of the highest quality. These scans are 8K, and they're all preserved on the device itself. But here in Sampler, you can choose to work in maybe 4K, slightly smaller resolution, so it goes faster.